SmartBoard Essentials 2, just some basics to get you started with the SmartBoard. So first of all, the absolute basics, just a kind of checklist to make sure things are going to work. You must obviously make sure your PC and projector are switched on. Check. The SmartBoard notebook software is running on my Windows 7. I can go to my Start button, check all programs and look in the Smart Technologies. And it's the notebook, because as you can see there's all kinds of other things, but it's the notebook to get you started. Really check. And then basically pick a pen up out of one of the trays and start to write. If you make a mistake, then on the tray as well you should find an eraser. Okay. You'll also find on the tray two buttons. Okay, so a right click button and a keyboard button, and I've already mentioned how those are useful as well for calibrating. There's also a floating toolbar for common commands, and at the moment this is docked here. Okay, so you dock it using the arrows, these ones here, then you drag it using the dotty thing. So I'm going to undock it, and then I can drag it and I can take it anywhere that I want. And as I say, this contains some common commands. So let me drag it over here again and dock it. The file menu gives you the usual options. So it's here that you will find save, to save your work, and also open, to open previous files that you've done, just as you would on any software. There is a third option, because if you save a file it will be a notebook file, which of course students don't have access to that software, so that you may want to export the file to PDF is usually the first point of call, because then students would be able to open that, print it off, and so on and so forth. Okay. One last thing I've mentioned is adding a new page, if you want to add a new page in your presentation. That's it. Hope that's useful.